Dragonfire Tools, quality affordable storage. Proud sponsor of our DragonfireTools.com studio.
Wow. That is the first thing people say when they see our Dragonfire Tools workbench in our Dragonfire Tools studio when they come to do Motorhead Garage and NHOU. How much did you think of aesthetics when you designed your workbenches?
So when these are going into car dealerships and places like that, having a uniform and consistent look is important. So, you know, a lot of the places that these are going into, there are maybe existing examples of multicolored toolboxes in there and toolboxes with stickers all over them and stuff like that. So when you put these workbenches into those professional places, it makes it look professional.
It almost gives it a lab kind of look, which I think is super clean. Now, what about function? I mean, obviously these things look great, but how does this make the job much more efficient for a professional shop?
As you know, in a professional shop, time is money, Dave. So having your tools right at the same spot that you're working on something and being able to just reach down, open up a drawer, grab the tool that you need, and not having to walk back and forth to a toolbox, because now your workbench is your toolbox. So that saves time, money, and space in your shop, Dave.
I know a lot of guys share a shop, so maybe in that situation, they're going to be worried about sharing a workbench with somebody else. How have you solved that problem?
In this unit here, you'll see that there's 5 individual drawer banks. Each one of those individual drawer banks lock. So you can lock a bank of drawers individually, keep your most secure tools locked up in that bay, and then still have access to your other tools.
And you know how I know your tools are going to be secure as well? You don't have to worry about these drawers failing because they can hold, well, they can hold more than me. And I'm over 200 pounds. How much can these hold?
So those drawers are double railed and they're rated for 400 pounds, Dave.
Well, you can find a durable workbench that's going to last you a lifetime. Find them at DragonfireTools.com. Just enter the code Motorhead when you check out. You'll get a discount and you'll get free shipping.
Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
You know, I talk to a lot of viewers. They hit me up on Facebook and they tell me how much they love the Magic Creeper for off-roading. Those folks are out on the trail all the time. It makes it super easy to get your tow vehicle ready. If you're walking around maybe setting air pressures on your vehicle, or you want to check under the hood on your tow vehicle, you can use the Magic Creeper as a fender cover to protect your paint job and also keep your clothes clean. Of course, all the other maintenance on the UTV, same thing before you get going. But when you get to the site, when you're getting ready to do some off-roading, you're always going to want to lower your tire pressures. That means better traction for you, of course. And of course, that also means kneeling at every corner while you're taking the air out of your tires or putting the air back in afterwards. And believe me, after 10 minutes of kneeling beside the tire and letting the air out, you're going to wish that you had some padding. The Magic Creeper plays a perfect part in helping your knees. Once you get on the trail, you can run into all kinds of issues. You might get hung up. You might get a lot of debris or branches stuck underneath the vehicle. That's when the Magic Creeper does exactly what its name says. You can use it as a creeper to get under your UTV to remove those branches and twigs and that sort of thing, or check underneath to see if there's any damage. The Magic Creeper can roll like no other creeper. There are no wheels to get hung up, so you don't have casters getting stuck on gravel or on roots or on grass or in mud. And as a bonus, the Magic Creeper gets dirty, you do not. So who wants to be in soaking wet, muddy clothes all day long when you're on the trail? Let the Magic Creeper take the beating. Your clothes don't have to. It's going to keep you a lot more comfortable all day long. The Magic Creeper weighs practically nothing. You can put it in your vehicle. I think it only weighs 3 pounds. It also takes up very little space, so bringing it with you, you won't even notice you have it, but you'll be glad you do when you need it. You can find the authentic Magic Creeper at MagicCreeper.com, except no substitutes because they're out there. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, so keep it right here.